Do you know the number one factor for job satisfaction? We often think it would be salary, or a short commute time, or a sense of purpose, all of which are incredibly important, but edging them all out and taking the number one slot again and again and again is our relationships at work. We don't talk about this often enough, do we? We don't talk about how to bond people and how to make people like each other, but it is such a big issue. Besides the fact that it determines our employees' health and happiness more than any other factor, it is contributing to how safe they are at work, whether there's how many workplace accidents there are, how engaged they are, how long they want to stay with you, whether they're going to leave for a different shop. The retention component alone makes us want to say, how can I help bond my people to each other? How can I make my shop a place where people belong and are liked and like being there? We want them to go home liking having been at work and who they hung out with out all day long. My name is Shasta Nelson, and I am going to be one of your speakers at the Institute Summit. We're all coming together in St. Petersburg, Florida from January 31 to February 3. I'll be speaking on Thursday, February 2 about how we can retain our talent that we so desperately want by bonding them with each other, how we can help create more meaningful relationships where we all spend the bulk of our time together. I hope you'll register for this event and come join us and come say hi to me. I would love to meet you. I can't wait to connect.